In this episode of Project B, we replaced the brakes on the Silvia. So maintenance on your car is very, very important, even when it comes to brake pads. Brake pads help you stop and you need to stop. So in this episode, we're just going to replace the brake pads on the Silvia and also the rotors, because I was stupid and didn't replace my brake pads in time, and now they're down to the metal and have just put all grooves through my rotor, which is not good. So we'll have to replace the rotors as well. I do have some nice new rotors that are all slotted and all the jazz, so we're going to put them on as well. So it's a little bit of an upgrade as well. But yeah, let's get onto it. So what I'm replacing the factory brakes with is, I just got some WidMax brake pads. I also went and got some DBA rotors. So we'll do a little bit of a unboxing for you, and also a comparison between these new ones and the old ones. And yeah, see the difference. So you can see straight away from the new pad compared to the other one, it's got all this, scoring, and you can really feel it. There's a lot of grooves in there, and that was just because I've gone straight through all the meat and right into the steel, which you can see all there. Yeah, that's just really grinded away at this. I probably could get this rotor machined and just cleaned up a bit, but for the price, you might as well just get a new rotor like this one. These are actually quite affordable, and yeah, just do the job really well. So let's throw this one onto the car. So coming to the brake pads now, like I showed you just a second ago, this one is the one at fault. You can see here it's gone straight through the meat of the brake pad and straight into the actual metal, which is no good. The one on the back side of the caliper, you can see here, has actually still got a bit of meat left on it. That's probably still good for like another 5,000 to 10,000 Ks, but brake pads come in packs and sets, so you may as well replace it while you get new brake pads. So the new ones I got are a WidMax brake pad, like I said earlier. I'm not too sure what the best brake pads are for this one, but these do claim to be pretty good, so we'll chuck these on, and they're gold and they look cool. So yeah, we'll throw them on and yeah, be able to brake.
It's something about us, something that I can try. Please don't say it's all about you. That is not too late, 'cause I don't mind waiting for you. No, I don't mind waiting for you. It's a crazy Monday. I know it shows, but I'm a little nervous. I've just realized
So now that we've got the new rotors in, the new brake pads, all we have to do now is just chuck the wheels on, take the car out and just start the bedding in process. Other than that though, it was a pretty simple install. Not many hiccups, you mainly just get really dirty. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.
Gotta get through the dark.